Hello Year 10, it's Mrs Crickmore here, or should I say welcome class of 2022. I wanted to talk through something called Step Up to Year 11, be the best version of you. So what does this mean to you? What does it look like? Well, actually, in Year 11, we have something called a passport to prom. And the prom is a way of celebrating your time at school as you move on to the next chapters in your life. Now, to go to prom, you actually have to meet the academy expectations in terms of positive attitudes to learning and your academic progress and standards. Now, we capture all of the above in something called Prom Points. Now, to be able to go to prom, you need to achieve 300 points. Now, that might seem quite a large number, but just listen, I've got a few thoughts for you. Now, traditionally, this is held at Glen Lodge, which is at Walborough Golf Course, and we are hopeful that in June 2022, we will be able to celebrate your prom at this venue. Now, how do we then go about achieving these 300 points? What can you do now? Well, before Results Day, which is on Friday the 25th of June, you can start to build your prom points. Now, everybody's going to start with 20 points, and you've got 4 weeks. Now, at the end of this time, what we will do is we will double the points that you achieve, and then they will count towards your prom passport when you start Year 11. So I think naturally the next question would be, how do I gain these points? Well, there's many ways that you can do that. And so, for instance, the first one being 100% attendance. You can achieve 5 points weekly for this. House points between now and then will also contribute towards your number of points. If you have perfect uniform, again, you can achieve 5 points weekly. Excellent behaviour, so no consequences, 5 points weekly. You've got full engagement in your mock exams. So what that means is we would be expecting people to attend all of their mock exams, as well as showing and demonstrating to their teachers that they're giving their best effort in everything that they're doing. You can achieve 20 points. Now, when you do your mock exams, we then look at the progress and we look at your attitude towards it, and some students will be able to achieve bronze ties. If you do, you can achieve an additional 15 points. Now, let's just work out the maths. So over the next 4 weeks, if you've got 100% attendance, you've got then 5 points per week, that's 20 points. If we then look at the perfect uniform, again, you could achieve over the 4-week period 20 points. The same for excellent behaviour, 20 points. Full engagement in your mocks, an additional 20 points. And then if you've got a bronze tie, you could have another 15 points. So if you did all of those things, you would get around 95 points with the addition of the 20 that we're already giving you. And I haven't included any house points there. But then we will double it as well. So please think about the things that you're doing and the impact that they can have positively on the points that you achieve. Now, let's just kind of like look at it in another angle. Can you lose points? Well, yes, you can. Okay. So these are the types of things that you would lose points for. Now, incorrect uniform, -3 points, late, -3 points, etc. But I don't want to dwell on that. This is the focus point, growing as many points as you possibly can. Because let's go back to this slide, and I know that I show this a lot. And the reason why I show it a lot is because at City Academy Norwich, we are absolutely driven to support you in your learning so that you can become the best version of you, so that you can take your dreams and your goals forward to do whatever career pathway you choose to, as well as developing your character, so your resilience, your independence, your ability to work within a team, all of these things supporting you for your future to become the best version of you. So my next question is, right, how many points can people get? Let's raise to the challenge, Year 10. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.